You don't always expect a hotel to set the tone for your entire trip, but this one just might. Welcome to the Amari Colombo. Right in the heart of the city, it starts off strong, even from the street, modern, clean, and instantly feels like a step up as you walk in. The ground floor lobby is bright and welcoming. You've got concierge and bell service ready to help with your bags, and a comfortable seating area if you want to take a moment. But here's where things take a bit of a turn, in a good way. Check-in isn't actually on the ground floor. Instead, you head up to the 6th floor, and it immediately feels like you've stepped into a completely different space. It's brighter, more open, and a lot more intentional in its design. This is really where the hotel starts to show its personality. I ended up spending a lot of time here at the Café, just off to the side of the check-in desk, kind of tucked away, but still part of the energy of the space. The whole floor has this modern, stylish feel, but without being overdone. Step outside, and you've got this beautiful balcony deck. It wraps along the building, with plenty of seating and some seriously nice views. On one side, the ocean stretching out into the distance, and on the other, the city skyline, including the nearby Granbell Hotel Colombo. It's the kind of contrast that really defines a city. Urban energy on one side, calm open water on the other, and this balcony sits right in the middle of it all. It's one of those spots where you could easily sit for a while, whether it's with a coffee in the morning or just taking a break from the day and watching the city move around you. Heading back inside, the Café carries that same relaxed, modern energy. There's plenty of seating to spread out, whether you're here for a quick coffee or just taking a break. The coffee bar is fully set up, and the dessert display, yeah, that's definitely hard to ignore. It feels less like a typical hotel cafe, and more like a space you'd actually choose to spend time in. And just across the floor, passing the bank of elevators and the hotel check-in desks, you've got the hotel bar. Perfect if you're looking to wind down later in the day. The atmosphere here shifts a bit, still modern and refined, but with a more relaxed, evening feel. It's the kind of place where you can sit back, grab a drink, and ease into the night without having to leave the hotel. From here, let's head up to the room. Welcome to the 22nd floor. The room is spacious and well laid out, starting with 2 double beds. Great if you're traveling with someone or just want the extra space. By the window, there's a comfortable chair to relax in, along with a desk setup if you need to get some work done. You've also got practical touches like a European plug point, USB, and an Ethernet port, small details, but useful. Across from the bed is a TV setup, along with 2 bottles of water and glasses, and that's something I appreciated. The hotel provides 2 fresh bottles of water daily. There's also a connecting door to the next room. A kettle, coffee, tea, creamer, and sugar. The fridge. Well, I stocked that myself with Coke Zero and extra water. The bathroom, starting with a rainfall shower. Followed by a clean, modern sink area and the toilet. From the 22nd floor, you're looking out over Colombo's city streets. Now, let's take it up one more level. The rooftop, during the day, it's all about the views, the open space, and a chance to relax with a drink, whether at a cocktail or a mocktail. By night, the whole atmosphere changes. The city lights come alive, and the rooftop transforms into a full experience. There's an Italian restaurant up here, complete with a wood-fired pizza oven, people enjoying dinner, a live DJ playing music. It's lively without feeling overwhelming. And to close out the night, a view that's hard to beat, the Lotus Tower lit up against the skyline. A pretty perfect way to end your day in Colombo.